Good morning, guys. It is April 1st, and I just want to say hello to you guys. It is April 1st. It has gotten chilly outside, so I'm going to have to put on a sweater, but I had to do short sleeves today because I have plans to head out with my husband and go get our COVID vaccine today. It's been a long time coming, and wish me luck. I'm a little bit nervous because my son got pretty sick with his. And I'm just I don't want to set myself up to get sick, if you know what I'm saying. It's like this anxiety, but I'm not scared of the COVID shot or anything like that. Just to not get sick, we might have to get sick. So anyhow, that is that, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I was supposed to have a meeting this morning at 10:15. They never called me. I called the person, and they did not bother to go to work. So that was nice of them because I was really anticipating this meeting I was supposed to have this morning. But anyway, surprise, surprise, I have decided today with my husband to do VEDA. And if you are not familiar with VEDA, VEDA is vlog every day in April. So I'm going to vlog every day. And so every day may not actually be an actual vlog, but it will be a vlog style video. I may be sharing a grocery haul or shopping trip or something like that. To fill in some of the gaps, you know, because obviously I just don't want to upload boring content to you guys. So I'm going to do my very, very best. So I just put my makeup on, just trying to look a little bit presentable, even though I'll have a mask, and this is all you will see, guys, when I go out. I got to put my tennis shoes on. I've got to find a heavy coat or sweater to wear, and get my purse and head downstairs. My father-in-law is going to take us. There's a place over here that's supposed to have a drive-in from 8 to 4 today, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get in. It has been open here in the state that anybody 16 years old or older can receive the COVID vaccine now. We have been registered with our health department for several months, and my husband has a health condition in which allows him to get the COVID shot. I even confirmed that we were registered, and I still have not received any phone calls. So that is why I'm going through a drive-through, because if I can get in over there and get the COVID shot and he can too, I will definitely feel better. Ronnie's mom has COPD. She has already had her COVID shot, but I feel like for everybody in our bubble and our family, and my parents are coming back from Florida, and I know I'm going to be seeing them, so obviously I want to get the COVID vaccine to protect us for them. So that's the reason. I'm going to get my shoes on. I'm going to head out the door, and welcome to VEDA Day 1. Looking like spring. We're at the Dollar Tree, right? Hey guys, I'm checking in. I got my COVID shot today. Me and Ronnie did. Arm is really sore. We got the Pfizer, which is P-I-Z-E-R, in case you don't know. I don't feel good. It's weird, really. My arm feels weak. I feel very fatigued. I did eat lunch and had a cup of coffee over at my mother-in-law's. The person that I was supposed to have a meeting with finally called me after I got my shot, so I was able to get that done. I ran into the Dollar Tree and I bought some snacks. I got Ronnie some cheese popcorn, some chips, a bag of frozen French fries, 2 things of those Stacks potato chips, and a bag of pretzel rods. So I picked up some snacks while I was out because my father-in-law had to go in there and get some peppermints for my mother-in-law. She loves those little mint candies. What else did I get? Oh, I got, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but if you like Girl Scout cookies and you like the Thin Mints, the Dollar Tree has a box of Thin Mints that taste just as good. And I got a box of those for myself just to have on hand as something sweet to eat. And that is it. That's what I bought today. Nothing fancy. Just, oh, and I got a loaf of bread. Got a loaf of bread. It was fresh. They were just putting it out. It was soft as can be, and I just couldn't pass it up. I thought, well, I can always use some bread. So, got some loaf of bread. And like I said, I had my meeting today, and Ronnie went upstairs to get the Gatorade that's upstairs in my room and bring it down. I'm going to drink me a big Gatorade and just relax for a little while. My arm literally is killing me just holding this camera. So, but it's worth getting the shot because I don't want to get COVID. And like I said, it's not all about ourselves. It's about protecting each other, and especially those that are around us that we love so much. So, you know, a day or two of not feeling totally up to par is worth it. But I'm very grateful that I was able to get in and get my shot and get home. And I don't have anything really pressing today, so if I feel like I need to relax, I'm going to. And I'm just going to enjoy my day with my hubby. And yeah, so that's all that I got going on right now, but I'll be checking in a little bit. And I can't wait to have my Gatorade. My arm is killing me. Oh. We are taking out the trash. This is really exciting. My thing says low battery. All right, can you pull it through the hole?
Yeah.
All right. Come on.
Just a second.
Okay, relax. There you go. Now hold on to me again. I get the blind man to do the heavy lifting. He puts his hand on my shoulder, and then we take the trash out because my can's always too heavy for me to tilt. Whew. And it is 20 degrees tonight. It is so cold. Keep coming. All right. Here, hold my phone.
Oh.
No, you're still videoing. Just hold it.
Well, we got my part of the job completed, and oh yeah, it's at least 22 degrees out here.
Oh my gosh. You kill me. Here we are. And see, I got my man here. He's helping me. It is cold out here.
Cold, but it's going to be warm by 2 more days.
This is the most exciting thing we did all day besides our COVID shot was share with you how we take out the trash.
Well, it made me
Too late. Too late. All right, I'm going to turn this off. I got to shut the gate. We are going to have some ramen noodles because I just want something bland. So these are coming up to a boil, and Ronnie wants some cream cheese and crackers. And that is going to be our dinner tonight. After our big COVID shot day. So I am going to get these boiling, and we're going to have some ramen noodles. I love ramen noodles. Do you guys like them? Hey guys, I'm checking in as a final good night for VEDA day 1. I am feeling very wiped out from the COVID vaccine that I got today. I don't think it comes. I know a lot of people don't have really bad reactions to it, but my son Lucas did, and apparently I do too. My arm is excruciatingly heavy. It hurts. It's bruised. I feel achy all over. I'm exhausted. So I'm hoping that if I get a good night's rest tonight, that I will feel better in the morning, because I'm supposed to go to the grocery store really early. I'm going to try to beat a lot of the Easter crowd to get some of those last minute things I need for Easter. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you be a part of Kiddos Corral. I am exhausted, guys. I'm headed to bed. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. It was a very full day, and I'm excited about the month of April. So you guys take care, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye, guys.